In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Wix Studio up and running in just 5 minutes. So, let's jump in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the official Wix Studio website, which you can find at wix.com/studio. Once you're there, you'll notice a clean and straightforward interface designed to make your journey as smooth as possible. Here, you'll be greeted with a few options that help kickstart your creative process. You'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to begin your project. There are 3 main options: start designing, start planning, or start setting up. Each option caters to different needs, whether you're ready to dive into visuals, prefer to structure your project first, or want to configure technical settings. Take a moment to consider your starting point and select the path that best fits your current project needs and mindset. Next, you'll need to complete the sign-up process. It's quite intuitive, and you have several choices here. You can sign up using an email address, which might be best if you want to keep everything project-related in one place. Alternatively, you can opt to use your Facebook or Google credentials. This might be a faster option since it skips a few steps and links to an account you likely already use frequently. Whichever method you choose, just follow the prompts and ensure your information is correct to swiftly get through this part. Now, you're ready to start creating. Here you have a couple of options once more. You can start with a blank page if you're someone who enjoys the freedom of building from scratch. This option provides a clear canvas to bring any idea to life without any restrictions. On the other hand, if you'd like some guidance or inspiration, choose from one of the many templates available. These templates cover a variety of industries and styles, so you'll likely find something that aligns with your vision. After selecting how you'd like to begin your project, it's time to customize, preview, and eventually publish. This is where you can truly make your mark. Use the customization tools to tweak designs, adjust layouts, or add unique content that reflects your brand or personal style. Wix Studio offers a multitude of features to ensure your site looks and operates exactly the way you imagine. Take advantage of the preview function to see your work in action before making it live. It's a great way to catch any last-minute adjustments or improvements. Once everything looks perfect, hit that publish button, and just like that, in as little as 5 minutes, you've gone from having an idea to launching a fully customized site with Wix Studio. Remember, this platform is incredibly versatile, so feel free to explore and experiment as much as you want. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.